This is our family engagement upper grades reading read, write, and play pack. This kit is chock full of engaging resources that will be great in any classroom or home. All of these hands-on materials are wonderful for aiding in learning recovery after a rough few years. Now, the kids can take these home and practice with their families and get some reading practice and really learn some of those new skills that they're just starting in the classroom. That extra practice is sure to get them feeling confident, engaged, and excited about learning. These kits can be used in the classroom, at home, or in after-school programs, or summer programs, or camps. There's so many places you can use this. Wherever the kids need extra practice, this is the perfect kit. So the kit comes in a sturdy handle bag for easy carrying on the go from school to home and back. This material will keep everything safe and organized all in one place. Now the cornerstone of this kit is the activity and instruction guide. This 24-page guide is in both English and Spanish equally. It starts with a family letter, information on the 4 C's, tips from the classroom, and tips to build reading skills. And we found that if you send some of this information home with the parents, it gives them a little guidance on how to best support their students and on how to make reading a part of their everyday life. So if you can get the parents up to date, they know what you're doing in the classroom and they know how to best support you, we find that's the best way to get them involved and get them feeling confident. And that translates into an excited student and a great school to home connection. So you're building that community for the classroom where parents feel involved and part of it and take that ownership of helping their students. This guide also tells a little bit about each piece in this kit. It'll give activities you can use it. It'll give simple instructions that you can follow to use each one, which is great for the teacher who is busy or the parent who maybe has never seen materials like this. And it will also give extension activities, ways that you can take it further and maybe use it beyond its intended use to do something fun, connect with the student, and have even more reading practice. So we show our dry erase mats. It has 3 double-sided dry erase mats. Here we practice plot, word investigation and expanding vocabulary, character comparison charts, how were different people different, and that helps develop perspective and understanding the difference in perspective, which is the start of understanding respect for all people and DEI. They also have writing lines to practice any type of writing, practice expanding sentence, giving detail, brainstorming what they want to write, or different character traits. And on the open-ended space, if you have a more visual child, they can draw pictures that go with what they're writing, or they can draw a comic strip to lay out the storyboard. There's a whole lot you can do with that. Next, we include information on our text types journal, how to walk your child through the journal and learn about the different types of text and the different types of writing. Are you writing for persuasion? Are you writing for information? Are you writing to entertain? And how do you use that purpose to get your information across? Next, we include a game or activity for 2 to 4 players. This one is the point of view pinnacle. Again, practicing perspective and understanding, developing empathy, and it builds that social emotional learning right into your reading curriculum. So this game is a lot of fun for families who get competitive, kind of like mine. This kit also includes these 10 double-sided, also dry erase task cards. And these are all based on these story starter question chips. So with each scene here, let's see, we'll take a cafeteria scene. We will gather our story starter, which says, what is the problem in the scene? What are some possible ways the problem can be solved? So kind of taking those real life skills for these upper grades and saying, yeah, there's a problem just like we come across in our reading, but what are we going to do about it? Maybe there's more than one thing we can do about it. And problem solving is something every child, regardless of their age, needs practice with. So here you can see the problem is there's spilled milk. There might also be a problem. This character looks a little surprised, so maybe they forgot something at home and that's why the milk spilled. But just that there's more than one answer starts developing that flexible thinking and creating deeper meaning in your stories. So along with the task cards and manipulatives, our guide also provides information and a 30-day calendar of activities that families can do together or students can do in a classroom to bring reading into every day. Language is all around us, so how can we connect to it and use it and transfer those skills into the classroom while we're connecting with those around us? These activities will help them do just that. And we also have some learning goals. Again, getting the parents having that ownership of saying, I know what my student needs to know and I can help them get there. So this guide is the way to do that. And this kit provides all the materials you need and sets your students and your teachers up for success.